Valentine's Day is the perfect excuse to slow down, bake something sweet, and share a little love. Today, we're making 5 easy, love-filled Nutella recipes that are perfect for breakfast, dessert, or a cozy night in. Let's get started. First up are decadent Nutella brownies, rich, fudgy, and incredibly simple. You'll need 1 cup of Nutella, 2 large eggs, half a cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or 175 degrees Celsius, and grease an 8 by 8 inch baking pan. In a mixing bowl, combine 1 cup of Nutella with 2 eggs and mix until smooth. Add the flour, cocoa powder, salt, and baking powder, then stir gently until just combined. Pour the batter into your prepared pan and spread it evenly. Bake for about 25 minutes, until a toothpick comes out with a few moist crumbs. Let the brownies cool slightly, then slice and enjoy warm for the perfect fudgy texture. Next are Nutella stuffed pancakes, perfect for a romantic Valentine's breakfast. You'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of buttermilk, 1 large egg, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and Nutella for filling. In a bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. In another bowl, mix the buttermilk, egg, and melted butter. Combine the wet and dry ingredients until just blended. Heat a skillet over medium heat and pour about 1/4 cup of batter onto the pan. Add a spoonful of Nutella to the center, then cover with a little more batter. Cook until bubbles form on the surface, flip, and cook until golden brown. Serve warm with fresh berries or maple syrup. Now let's make a Nutella strawberry tart, simple but elegant. You'll need 1 pre-made tart shell, 1 cup of Nutella, 2 cups of fresh strawberries, sliced, and whipped cream for topping. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit if baking the tart shell. Spread 1 full cup of Nutella evenly across the bottom of the tart shell. Arrange the sliced strawberries on top in a circular pattern. Bake for about 15 minutes, just to warm everything through. Allow it to cool, then finish with whipped cream before serving. Next is a show-stopping Nutella swirled cheesecake. You'll need 1½ cups of graham cracker crumbs, half a cup of melted unsalted butter, 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese, softened, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and half a cup of Nutella. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit and grease a 9-inch springform pan. Mix the graham cracker crumbs with melted butter and press firmly into the bottom of the pan. In a bowl, beat the cream cheese and sugar until smooth. Add the eggs and vanilla and mix until combined. Pour half of the cheesecake batter over the crust. Dollop the Nutella on top and gently swirl with a knife. Pour the remaining batter over the swirl. Bake for 1 hour, then turn off the oven and let the cheesecake cool inside for another hour. Refrigerate for at least 4 hours before serving. Last is Nutella French toast, cozy and indulgent. You'll need 4 slices of thick bread, like brioche or challah, half a cup of Nutella, 2 large eggs, half a cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and butter for cooking. Spread Nutella generously between 2 slices of bread to make a sandwich. In a bowl, whisk together the eggs, milk, and cinnamon. Dip the sandwich into the egg mixture, coating both sides evenly. Cook in a buttered skillet over medium heat until golden brown on both sides. Serve hot with powdered sugar, fresh berries, or maple syrup. Whether you're celebrating with someone special or treating yourself, these Nutella recipes make Valentine's Day feel extra sweet. Be sure to check out this video for more.